Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video on app guide I'm going to show you how you can download and sign up for the AfterPay account. AfterPay basically helps you to buy anything at this moment and then make payments for it in a semi-monthly manner, that is bi-monthly manner. You can just pay it in 4 installments later on. And if you'd like to get acquainted with all of these services, I'm going to show you how this app can be downloaded and signed up for. So for this, first of all, head over to your app store and on the search bar type in AfterPay. After you type in AfterPay, you will see an app load on your interface, and there you will see the Get button. Tap on the Get button in order to start downloading the app. After the app gets downloaded, tap on the Open button. And as you tap on the Open button, wait for a certain while until all the processing is complete and you're landed on a section that basically helps you to sign up to your own account. So as you can see, the app is loading at the moment. Then you will land on an interface like this where it'll ask you to create an account or log in. So here, because I haven't yet created my account and I'm trying to sign up, I'm just going to tap on Create an Account. And after that, all I have to do is enter my email address in this section. After entering the email address, also type in the password that you'd like to set for your account. Make sure that your password is strong enough. And then you will also have to choose your mobile number. After you tap on the mobile number, you can tap on the arrow button. And when you tap on the arrow button, what will happen is you'll be directed towards another interface where you'll have to add on to the credentials. So after completing all of the credentials, you'll eventually be able to sign up for your AfterPay account. This is basically how signing up to AfterPay works. I hope that by entering the correct credentials, you'll also be able to sign up for your own account. And if you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.